quickly. Today, let's look at very important issues that came up as a result of comments on our earlier broadcast. Some of our customers, some of viewers, and our followers were asking if banks really pay interest on savings accounts. You see, bank do pay interest on savings account, and I can tell you categorically, there's no gainsay about that. But you will not get interest on savings account on your savings account because you use your savings account like a transaction account. You see, banks are not for that Christmas. If you run your savings account the way it should be run, you will get interest. It's called savings accounts, not transaction accounts. An account that is called savings is used to save money. Put money in bits, in large sum. If you have large sum in bits, depending on what you have, save into the account and let it grow. If you run your account like a current account or a transaction account, where you pay money and withdraw money every day, you have ATM running on it, you have online banking on it, you have mobile banking on your savings account, and you run it, take money every day, withdraw money every day, you won't earn interest. You see, by status, if you withdraw more than three times in your savings account in a month, you lose interest for that month. Otherwise, you get interest paid to your account every month. What does that mean? Savings account, like I said, is used for savings, putting money away, for the period where you don't need it, till when you will uh, you will need that money. So for your savings account, you're supposed to be putting the money away in bits, like I said, or in large sum, depending on what you have, gradually till when the money grows enough for the purpose of what you want to use it for, and you go there and pick it up. If you run your savings account and you pay money every day, and all that, well, you don't expect the bank to pay you because the money you kept in a bank is also used for by the bank to do some other transactions. The money you keep in the bank is what the bank used to lend to other customers that want to borrow. Also do some other trading, buy, sell treasury bills, also, lend to other banks and all that. The bank trade with your money. And if you don't leave it long enough in the bank account for the bank to trade with it, you forfeit the interest. I mean, as an option, I understand the fact that most people are running away from account maintenance fee, which is was one of the characteristics of a current account. But you can't eat your cake and have it. You can't be running from charges from a current account, put your money in savings account, and also run it as if transaction account and expect the bank to pay interest. What I would suggest for you, especially those that are running away from account maintenance fee, which is one of the characteristics of a current account, like I said, is to have multiple savings account. If you have a savings account one, savings account two, you can use savings account two to warehouse the money you will save. For rainy days, for emergencies, for travels, for holidays, for birthdays, for other things that you want, for school fees of children, for ceremonies and all that. And save it in there gradually till you fill it up for house rent and all that. And save it in there gradually till when you will need it, and use the other savings account as a transaction account. You can get money paid in there every day, withdraw every day, and you will know that in your transaction account you will forfeit whatever income the bank is paying to you. And the other account that you use to warehouse savings for specific purpose, I can assure you your bank will pay interest every month. The bank is obliged, and it's a law from CBN, and the bank pay you interest every month on your savings account. But you will forfeit such interest if you run your savings account like a transaction account. Withdraw more than three times in a month and you forfeit interest. Bank they pay as much as between 6 and 7.4% every month. I mean per annum now, 6 and 7.4% per annum, and the money is paid to you every month depending on the balance on your account. And it's not just limited to conventional bank. Islamic bank, non-interest bank also pay interest. In fact, their own may be a lot higher because most of them practice Islamic bank, which allows them to share part of the profit that they earn using your money to you every month. And there are some banks that I've seen that are, you know, non-interest bank that will pay you irrespective of the number of withdrawals you do in a month. They will pay you based on average of what you have during that month in your savings account. So what does that mean? The issue of 3 times in a month may not be applicable to them. Withdraw as many times as you want, but based on your balance and the average balance you have that month, you get part of the income they earn using your money. So that is the beauty of savings account. That is how much you should appreciate savings account. And that is like I said, reasons why you will not be able to earn interest on your savings account. Feel free to ask questions, pass comments, and let us know what you feel. Hope you've been able to increase your banking knowledge with